I'm Chyimpo
and I am Yao.
and this is our child.
I made this for our child. Our child need crib?
We can build a crib against this wall, and we have 8 feet of wood to build the rest of the crib.
What should dimensions be to maximize area of crib?
To bring honor to our family. Welcome to Chyimpo and Yao's family planning. This is the wall that we will be building the crib against. We will have to build 3 sides with the wood that we have. The 3 sides together will have to equal 8 feet because we have 8 feet of wood. The area is equal to the length times the width, or x times y. We will solve this equation by subtracting 2x from both sides to get y equal to 8 minus 2x. We will substitute that in this equation for the y variable. So we will end up with area equals x times the quantity 8 minus 2x. We will distribute the x, so we finally end up with 8x minus 2x squared. We will differentiate this equation with respect to x, which gives us dA dx equals 8 minus 4x, which we will set equal to 0 to find the maximum. By subtracting 4x, we get 4x equals 8, and solving for x, we finally come out with x equals 2. We will then substitute x back into this equation and get y equal to 8 minus 2 times 2, which comes out to y equals 4. So, coming back to our wall, these 2 sides will be 2 feet and this side will be 4 feet.
I am Yao. Our child has arrived. We name her Mulan after Disney princess. I made this for our child.
I'm Chyimpo. Yao, I made this for our child. It is 2 feet by 4 feet to maximize the area to bring honor to our family.
And I'm Marie.
And this is Katie and Marie's Animal Farm.
This is our lamb, Lammy.
And this is our duck named Melvin.
Who named that stupid duck anyway?
We need a pen for our animals.
The pens need to be separate because the duck and the lamb cannot breed.
Our family tree looks enough like the Olympic rings already.
The pens will be next to each other so they'll share one wall. And we'll build it next to our trailer so one wall will be our trailer.
Oh, good thinking,
Yeah.
Marie.
Yeah.
We have 600 feet of fence. That leads us to our calculus problem because we need to determine correct lengths and widths so that the area of the pen will be maximized. However, our duck Melvin happens to be a bit gassy, so the length of its pen needs to be twice as much as the length of Lammy's pen.
I hate calculus.
The first step in figuring out this problem will be to draw a picture. This is the wall of our trailer, which will be the wall, the one side of our pen. Then the width of both pans is set equal to y, and the length of Lammy's pen is X, and the length of Melvin's pen has to be twice as long, so that is 2X. Since we have 600 feet of fencing, 2Y plus 6X, which is our perimeter, will have to be equal to 600. And the area of our pen will be 3X, which is the whole length of the entire pen, times Y. We'll solve our first equation for X by subtracting 2Y and then dividing both sides by 6. So we will end up with X equals 100 minus 1/3 Y. We will then substitute that into our area equation, and that will give us 3 times the quantity 100 minus 1/3 Y times Y. We'll then distribute the 3Y, which will give us 300Y minus Y squared. Now, we will differentiate that area equation with respect to Y. We'll end up with dA dy equals 300 minus 2Y. We will then set this equation equal to 0 to find the spot where it will be maximized. So we have 0 equals 300 minus 2Y. Then we add 2Y to both sides, so we have 2Y minus 300. Then dividing both sides by 2, we get Y equal to 150. We then plug that back into this equation, so we have X equals 100 minus 1/3 times 150. Solving this, we get X equal to 50. Now remember that that is only 1/3 of the total length of the pens. So Lammy's pen will be 50 feet long, and Melvin's pen will be 100 feet long. And they will both be 150 feet wide.
Oh, baby!
I'm Katie.
And I'm Marie. And these are our new pens. This is our trailer. This is Lammy's pen. And this is the stupid duck's pen.
As you can see, since X equaled 50, Lammy's pen is 50 feet long, and Melvin's pen, which had to be twice as long, is 100 feet long. And both pens, since Y equaled 150, are 150 feet wide.
And those are our new animal pens.
And this has been Katie and Marie's
Animal Farm.
Bye.
Bye.